What's going on, you guys? Back again with another video. As you can see by the title of this video, today we're going to be working on the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. I know it's been a while since I last made a video, but today we are back. Before the video starts, I want to give a huge shout out to my buddies over at USR Unique Style Racings.com. They did it again. Last time you saw this truck, I believe we were installing the USR TRD PRO replica blacked out headlights, which are right here. Still running strong, still looking beautiful, and everything is functioning flawlessly. USR hooked me up once again and sent me out some blacked out housing projector fog lights. So today we're going to be replacing the OEM fogs that are all chromed out, and I really think it's definitely going to tie in the look, and I definitely think that this is going to be a great combo for any of you Tacoma owners that are interested. You want to black out your fronts, you want to black out the whole front end pretty much and get rid of all that chrome and the headlights and your fogs. USR has got the answer for you. Now, if you are interested, I'm going to link both the headlights and the fog lights down below, and I'm also going to give you guys my discount code over there, which is 10% off of the whole order, and it is EG Taco. I'm going to put it here on the screen, and I'm also going to put it down below. Do not hesitate to go check these guys out, check out these headlights, check out these fog lights. Super excited. Let's show you guys what they look like. As you can see, you guys, these things look freaking flawless. I am super impressed in the build quality, the way they look. Man, they look mean. They're gonna definitely look aggressive and definitely complement the blacked out headlights that are already on my truck from USR Auto. And as you can see, those chromes, it's just not doing it anymore. A quick recap of their features, which are listed on the website. It is a true black housing design around the built-in projector. Built-in projector provides an evenly distributed light out of an improved focus design to ensure maximum visibility. Utilizing the latest Cree LEDs technology, protected by a manufacturer sealed design, ensuring you get the highest quality. Long-lasting LED fog light, H11 connection to provide a plug-and-play upgrade, no error after install. 5500K white color LED output. So that is a really quick recap on their description. Again, I highly recommend you guys check that out because it is very informative and tells you pretty much everything you need to know about these fog lights. Now, one thing I will mention that I do notice is that saying where they said it is a more distinct and accurate beam. You can really see how the fog light is. It's kind of like a horizontal projector, so you can tell where the cutoff lines are going to be, and they should be really crisp because of this. Now, the one thing that's cool, or actually I shouldn't say cool, the one thing that's bad about fog lights, especially when you're running just an LED bulb like I am right now, is these are not projectors. So whenever I do run them, it seems like the beam just fogs out in a almost high beam pattern, if that makes any sense, and it usually blinds the hell out of other people or oncoming traffic. So I'm super excited to see the clean lines, the clean cutoff lines of these LED fog lights. So let's go ahead, dive right in and get these installed. At the end of this video, you guys, I will be doing a direct comparison of this new fog light setup from USR compared to just a aftermarket common LED bulb that anyone can just go buy, replace, plug in, and call it done. I'm also going to be comparing them to the stock OEM halogen bulb that comes in the lights when you buy the truck. Now, I will say these halogen bulbs from factory aren't too bad as far as the light output. However, it's just that color, that yellow color, that I really personally don't like at all, and I doubt anyone really likes that look. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do a comparison on the possible 3 setups that you can do or that I have here. Alright, you guys, I'm not too sure how good the camera's gonna pick this up, but trust me when I say that this install should be very easy. We're looking at the driver's side fender well behind the fog light. So what we want to do first is we want to remove, there's 2 10mm bolts, or you could just use a simple Phillips screw or Phillips head screwdriver, and you're also going to need a flathead screwdriver for this little push pin. So you got 2 bolts, 2 10mm bolts, a push pin, and that should be enough to be able to remove this whole cover out the way, reach in, unscrew the 1 bolt that's holding the fog light in place, and disconnect it, and then it'll be ready to pull right out. There it is. And then this push pin, from my understanding, is just you turn a quarter turn. This push pin, you just do a quarter turn, and then it kind of slides right out like so. And then you're able to just pull this back and away. And I'll try to give you guys a better angle to see the fog light in there. Now, it will help if you turn your wheel. I didn't turn the wheel just because of my lift. I thought I would have some more room. But if you turn your wheel away from the fog light itself, it'll actually give you more room back here to kind of move stuff around. I'm just going to bend this out the way. Alright, you guys, there's my fog light. As you can see, as of right now, I am running USR Auto H11 LED bulbs in my low beams and also my fog lights, so they match perfectly. Those things are great, so don't get me wrong. They put in really nice light output and really good work, to be honest, for what they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the whole fog light. As you can see, there is just one bolt on the left side of that fog light holding it in. So again, I'm gonna get my Phillips screwdriver, remove that whole fog light assembly, remove the bulb itself from the fog light assembly so I could disconnect it from the OEM harness, and then we're gonna replace it with our new fog light. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I went ahead and already removed the OEM fog light. It literally took me maybe a minute just to remove that one bolt, and then the rest of these prongs here kind of just slid into the housing itself. Now, as you can see in there, my bulb is kind of just hanging loose right now. I'm going to disconnect it from the OEM harness so I'm able to connect my new fog light in place. And let me see if I can show you guys this now through the front. Here's the bulb, and the harness is connected just up here. I do have it zip tied, so it's kind of out the way, but I'm going to have to go ahead, pop the hood, break the zip tie, and try to get to that plug a little easier for my new fog light. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, you guys, so this is a really super easy install, and because it is such a tight, dark area, it's kind of hard to show you guys exactly everything that I'm doing, but trust me when I say that this is probably the easiest install you're going to do. Like I said, it's just one bolt holding it back on this side or holding it in place. These two other open areas kind of just slide into a little pocket off to the side, and here's your OEM plug. Now obviously the fog light isn't going to fit through the front side. I have to feed it through the back side and then put that one screw in to hold it in place, but I did want to show you guys how easily these things plug in. So you can see there is a red and a black. The green on these Tacomas is your positive side. So you want to go ahead and just line up the green to the red on the new fog light. Snap it in place, and let's go ahead and turn it on and test it out just to make sure that it is functioning. Alright, you guys, so just a quick little update. So the fog light that you guys saw me install on my truck, and you guys saw that when I turned it on it was extremely blue. Turns out that I actually had received a defective fog light. It was definitely not supposed to be that blue whatsoever. On the website it states a 55K temperature, which if you look that up, you will see that it's actually a pure white light. 55K fog light, and then my headlights are 6K LED lights as well. So it should look very similar to one another, maybe just slightly off, but definitely not as blue as it did in the video that we shot earlier. USR was cool enough to go ahead and send me out a whole another set, which they themselves bench tested before they sent out, and I already reinstalled the driver's side. Way better, looks way much better than the old one did. This one is good, not defective. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, the install is complete. The light is looking absolutely flawless and perfect fitment in place, matches great with the blacked out USR TRD PRO replica headlights. Super stoked on the look of just the housing alone. I mean, blacked out, you can't beat it. You can tell a little bit of a difference over here. Blacked out headlight, and then the chrome housing of the OEM fog. I will also be showing you guys everything basically that I'm running from USR Auto. So once again, like I said, you can feel free. I'm gonna put it all in the description. Check out their website. Check out all the products. Use my discount code EGTACO. USR, as of now, I'm running their blacked out projector beam fog lights, USR TRD PRO replica headlights with USR's H11 6K bulb, LED bulb, and I'm also running their side mirror blacked out turn signals, which actually is a switchback. So during the day, or when I have the lights on, it'll be showing a white. As soon as I hit my blinker, it'll show a amber flash, amber strobe. As soon as I turn off my blinker, it'll go back to white. One of those very small details that you would never really think about, but it is freaking sweet, let me tell you, once you have it on. With that being said, you guys, stick around for that comparison video. It's coming right up. Hopefully this video wasn't too short or too long. Like I said, the install super easy, but it's just kind of hard to show you in those tight little areas. But that was pretty much it. That'll do it. Super excited of the new look. Blacked out front end. Make sure you go check it out. EG Taco, 10% off. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your rub your fingers